This video has been created with no intention of hurting, dismissing, or belittling any scientific framework, theory, community, or individual. The purpose of this presentation is not to claim that existing science is false or incapable. Modern science is powerful, rigorous, and extraordinarily successful. At times, however, it may be incomplete, not incorrect. The ideas presented here belong to an independent theoretical exploration and are shared solely for educational and conceptual purposes. They do not contradict the value of established scientific knowledge, nor do they attempt to undermine the contributions of researchers, physicists, or scientific institutions. This work aims to encourage curiosity, critical thinking, and open-minded exploration, while maintaining full respect for all existing scientific disciplines.
Before the first light, before the first atom, before space or time could exist, there was silence. Not emptiness, not nothingness, but a perfect order, hidden beneath all of reality. This is the beginning of a journey into the information dynamics model, a framework that reimagines the origin of the universe not as a burst from nothing, but as the fracture of a deeper, silent structure. Welcome to Postulate 0. The silence of the vacuum. Before anything existed, reality was not empty. It was silent. In the beginning, the universe did not emerge from chaos, but from agreement. There was no space, no time, no distance. Not because nothing existed, but because everything was perfectly synchronized. The origin of reality is not emptiness. It is perfect alignment. Where physics sees quantum foam, IDM sees a laminar, perfectly ordered informational network. The vacuum is not a bubbling void. It is a solid ocean of pure stability. In this ocean, every informational packet mirrors its neighbors flawlessly. This structure is the Primordial Stability State, the PSS. In such perfect similarity, distance cannot exist. Space is undeclared. Imagine a perfectly still sea. No ripples, no waves. This is the silent vacuum, the true origin of reality. The universe seeks one thing: to minimize informational disturbance. At its minimum lies the vacuum, the most stable configuration possible. And this stability is actively maintained by the global stability mode. A universal scanning rhythm, the heartbeat of the pre-universe. Picture a crystalline lattice, connected in every direction, pulsing softly with a unified rhythm. This primordial structure didn't vanish. It still exists. Today, we observe it as dark matter, the part of the universe that remained unfractured. The silent foundation that still holds galaxies together. And then, something broke. The Big Bang was not a creation. It was a fracture. A crack in perfection. A disturbance in symmetry. What we call chaos is simply the echo of broken stability. From this crack, difference appeared. Where difference appears, distance emerges. Where distance exists, time begins. Everything begins with a break in the silence. This is a shift from emptiness to structure, from creation to fracture, from mystery particle to the PSS. The vacuum is not nothing. It is the highest possible order. It is the foundation of the entire IDM framework. The silence of the vacuum is perfection, waiting to fracture.